All right, I got a BM2416 from way back in the day, running an Ultimax control. Just went through the rebuild on this puppy. Nice bright monitor, everything looks pretty good there. Of course, we're going to insert a tool into the spindle, show it that this thing's running. We'll come up here, pretend that we loaded our manual tool in, hit cycle start, and off she goes. Oop, I didn't hit the button very hard. Now we go. There we go. She runs nice and smooth. She might look old, a little beat up, but not too bad. Got two bright lights on the inside here. They're LEDs. I'm not going to blind you too much, but there's one of them. And everything runs real smooth. We'll go into manual mode. We'll go manually move the table and see her moving back and forth in X. Sounds good. Barely hear. Go to Y. Sounds good, looks smooth. And we'll go to Z. It's going to run slow in Z when it's coming up and down. It always wants to run at about 10 thou instead of 100 full 100 thou movements. But if I go to rapids, nice and smooth. So might look a little worse for wear, but she's a beautiful machine. BM2416. We're ready to sell a gauge machine tool. We'll load it on the truck, get it your way.